Hello, viewers. How are you all? Did I hear fine? Why just fine? Why just okay? Why not great? Is it because of work tension? Personal stress? Don't worry, guys. I got an easy solution for you. Welcome to the world of mudras. Let's do a mudra to detoxify your body. For detoxification mudra, all you have to do is place the thumb in between the middle finger and the ring finger, like that. Let me repeat. Mudra, to detoxify your body, you have to place your thumb in between the middle finger and the ring finger, like that.